Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty and hair care products. If you're someone who's tired of battling frizz, dealing with dryness, or just looking for a shampoo that truly works to repair your damaged hair, you're in for a treat today. We're taking a close look at the KEVIN.MURPHY REPAIR-Me.WASH, a hydrating and frizz-controlling shampoo that promises to breathe life back into your hair. With a formula designed to nourish and strengthen, let's see if it lives up to the hype. This shampoo is marketed as a game changer for dry, frizzy, and over-processed hair. It claims to hydrate and repair from root to tip while gently cleansing, thanks to its sulfate and paraben-free formula. What's even better? It's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it on your hair. When you look at the ingredients list, you'll find some real powerhouses. Green Pea Protein works to strengthen and restore, while silk amino acids help smooth and hydrate each strand. Bamboo extract is known for its nourishing and rejuvenating properties, making it ideal for revitalizing tired, brittle hair. These ingredients are designed to target moisture balance, repair damage, and keep your hair feeling soft without weighing it down. In terms of how it performs, I used this shampoo for a couple of weeks and I noticed some key things. First, it lathers up really well for a sulfate-free shampoo, which is always a good sign. The fragrance is subtle, not overpowering, but still leaves your hair smelling fresh. As I worked it through my hair, I could immediately feel the difference in texture. It didn't strip my hair of moisture, but it still felt clean after rinsing. The real test, of course, was how it held up after a few washes. I have naturally curly hair, and frizz is always a challenge for me. After just a couple of uses, I noticed my hair felt softer and more manageable. The frizz seemed more controlled, and there was a noticeable shine that lasted through the day. My curls weren't weighed down, but they did feel nourished and hydrated. Now, like any product, it's not all perfect. While it definitely improved the texture and moisture balance of my hair, I did find that it wasn't as heavy-duty in terms of deep repair as I had hoped. If you're dealing with severe damage from coloring or heat styling, this might be a nice maintenance shampoo, but you may need a more intense treatment to truly restore extreme damage. In terms of pricing, KEVIN.MURPHY products do sit on the higher end of the spectrum. This 1-liter bottle is an investment, but when you factor in the high-quality ingredients and the fact that it's sulfate and paraben-free, you can see where the price tag comes from. For someone with hair like mine that needs moisture and frizz control but isn't heavily damaged, I'd say it's worth the price. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, with the shampoo coming in a sturdy, recyclable bottle. I do appreciate the eco-friendly approach KEVIN.MURPHY takes, which aligns well with their brand ethos of combining luxury with sustainability. If you're someone looking for alternatives in a similar price range, a product like Pureology's Hydrate shampoo offers a similar hydrating experience, though it's often a bit more focused on color-treated hair. If you're on a tighter budget, you could try something like OGX's Coconut Milk Shampoo, which is also sulfate-free and offers hydration and nourishment, though the ingredients may not be as premium. To wrap it up, KEVIN.MURPHY REPAIR-Me.WASH is a solid choice for those who want a nourishing, frizz-controlling shampoo without the harsh chemicals. It's perfect for dry or frizzy hair, and the combination of natural ingredients makes it a great option for those looking to treat their hair gently while still getting real results. If you're someone who's just looking for an everyday shampoo that delivers moisture and smoothness, you'll likely enjoy it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this shampoo, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.